Japan is one of the dream destination for many people, especially sa ating mga Pilipinos. And sa episode na to, lilipad tayo from Bangkok to Osaka, Japan for a 3-night, 4-day vacation. I-share ko rin sa inyo yung mga free sightseeing spots, must-try food, where to stay, how to commute, how much I spent in total, and lastly, how to apply for a Japan visa. So if you're planning to visit Osaka, Japan next year, then make sure to watch this video until the end.
ได้เลยครับご着席ください。荷物は上の棚または
Hey guys, สวัสดีครับ As you can see from the title guys, we're here in Osaka. Yay! Yeah, medyo malamig-lamig for me kasi it's about like
18.
Yeah, 18. So medyo naka-aircon kami in the city. So guys, first mission is to get a metro papunta doon sa hotel namin. Around Namba yata yun. Hindi ko pa sure pero yeah, we'll see guys. First impression ng train system nila guys, medyo nakaka-overwhelm kasi ang daming choices, ang daming lines. If compare natin siya sa Bangkok, isa lang yung train doon papunta sa city. Ito kasi maraming maraming options. So kumuha kami ng iCoca card. It's like a rabbit sa Thailand, rabbit card. And ito yung gagamitin namin para makapag-ikot-ikot dito sa Osaka by train. Pero sabi nila pwede daw tong gamitin din kahit saan like convenience stores, buses, etc. First time ko sa Japan guys, pero siya hindi. She's been here like 2018. Pero syempre, first time namin. Name? Meron.
Insufficient funds.
Oh. มันดีตรงที่ว่าเขาถอนแบงค์เขาถอนเป็นแบงค์ไม่ใช่ coins subway เนี่ย subway เนี่ยมีDosu G line, that's where we need to go. Gaya nga na sabi nila guys, walang escalator dito, hindi uso. Medyo malamig-lamig guys. Kailangan namin mag-change ng line papunta doon sa subway, and then we will take subway going to our hotel doon sa may Daikukucho banda. We are crossing the road but not the Shibuya crossing. We're going to metro guys. So far okay pa naman yung pag na-navigate namin. Here we go again with the stairs.
We're at Kyobutsu.
Oh, just one station then.
Chai. That's why I said to switch here. Why it's just one station.
Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, okay, I remember now. I know this place. I've been here before. Yes. So Lawson is here. That's the Daikokochu
That's the hotel.
Osaka. No, I mean the metro. And ito yung hotel namin. See, it's nice. Hello. You need my passport?
Oh, when you check in later.
Oh, later.
Yes.
Okay.
And
Yes.
we can keep your luggage.
Luggage. Okay. Thank you. ตอนนี้ยังไม่ได้ต้องรอบ่าย 3เพราะว่าเอากระเป๋าฝากไว้ได้ A few minutes guys, nandito na kami sa Lawson, Japanese convenience stores. Oh, they even have this. I think I'll just go with sandwich or something. Wow, so many bread. This one looks good.
Chicken and vegetable.
Chai. Oh, this is the water. 118. Oh, 25 baht. ก็แพงอยู่นะ compared to 7 baht.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, first meal dito sa Osaka guys. Onigiri from Lawson. Yung mga turista kami, so don't judge us. After this kasi may pupuntahan kaming medyo malayo-layo eh. So parang ano lang to, pang tawid gutom.
Pura.
And I also got the sandwich guys. Dumating kami ng mga 10 a.m. and now it's like lunchtime. Kaya gutom talaga kami. Tuna egg sandwich dito sa Osaka. Oishi. Very mayonnaise-y. So guys, nagpalit kami ng lane from Osaka Metro to Kintetsu line. And we should choose the deer train. Pantalag, Tinun.
Oh yeah, dear train. Oh yeah, I like how they use photos.
So kalalabas lang namin guys dito sa sa Nara Station, and then lakad lang kami ng konti papunta doon sa Nara Park. Pag nakita nyo na yung waterfalls na yan, yan na yun. So paglabas namin ng train station guys, kumanan kami, and then nandito kami sa isang walking street. I-explore muna namin to, and then tsaka namin pupuntahan yung mga deer. So nakita namin to guys, mochi. So try muna namin. Saikok Isan. So it's grilled mochi with salty sweet sauce. It's kind of like oyster sauce, similar to oyster sauce. So this is like sampeng version, but Japan style.
So you can take more deer photos. Only available here. Do you turn into a deer? No. Oh, you don't turn into a deer. Okay, that's not that exciting. Yeah, the mochi thing is cute.
Very bad timing guys, umuulan. Andito pa naman kami ngayon para sa mga deer. And bigla na lang bumuhos yung ulan. So ngayon maghahanap muna kami ng mainom o makakain, like coffee or something. And we'll see later kung uulan pa rin o hindi.
แต่ก็ดีกว่าเดินขึ้นไปถึงแล้วฝนตกเพราะว่ามันไม่มี cover.
Sure. I mean, no. It's not supposed to be raining. Bakit? Bakit umuulan? This is our first day. Bakit umuulan? That is so sad. So habang umuulan kanina guys, nagpalipas muna kami ng saglit dito sa cafe na called Shami. Tinikman namin yung Americano, yung latte, tsaka yung mga desserts nila. And grabe, ang sarap Nagustuhan ko yung cheesecake nila. And ang ganda din nung presentation. So yeah, recommend ko yun guys dito sa Nara.
I love it because like where's the food? They have long eyelashes. They're so cute. Wow.
ไม่เห็นมีขนมเลย So far, ang dami kong nakitang deers. And hindi ko alam kung siguro mga thousands of deers ang nandito. Sabi nila aggressive sila pero so far wala pa naman masyado. Kumaga ano naman sila, gentle. And ang daming turista nga guys, grabe. It's full of tourists. Hello! Come. Shit.
He's like, I can smell it on you. May Milo. No. Scary. No, no, no.
前どうぞ、前どうぞ。
皆さん、どうぞ。
1個お願いします。4つ入れください。
どうぞ。お求めの方どうぞ。はい、600です。
Okay, thank you. Namaste.
Thank you! So, after namin ma-explore yung Nara, guys, nag-ikot-ikot kami to find something to eat for dinner kasi mag-aalas 6 na dito. And then, we found this restaurant. And affordable naman, I think, in my opinion. Kasi Ilis, mahal naman talaga yung Ili. But yeah, we'll see. So, kaka-check in lang namin after namin mag-day trip sa Nara, and papakita ko lang yung room sa inyo saglit. So, kung makikita nyo, twin bed. And malambot. And then, tapos dito may city view. Nice. Bukas papakita ko ulit sa inyo yung daytime naman. And then dito naman may small table which is really cute and very appreciated kasi okay to kapag may mga pagkain ka or magwo-work ka. Check naman natin guys yung CR. Oh. So, may sink dito. May towels. May hair dryer, glass, soap. Nice. Then yung shower room, separated yan siya. Kung makikita nyo, may mga soap, shampoo, conditioner, may heater din. And then, ang cute ng shower, oh. Ang liit. May door din yan, guys. So, Japanese style door. So, hindi talaga basa yung floor. Tapos, check naman natin yung toilet. Oh, wow. Japanese style toilet. So, wala siyang bidet. Kasi meron siya dun sa ano eh. Meron yan siya dun sa ilalim eh. Yan, yung lalabas. And ito, meron din silang sampayan, meron silang kettle, basic stuff, tissue, mini fridge. And itong maganda dito kasi may storage siyang para sa mga luggages namin. So, may dalawa kaming suitcase, malaki, maliit, and may space talaga para dyan. So, hindi siya yung makalatignan. 3 nights to, mga pumapatak ng 4,000 per night guys. And if kung dalawa naman kayo, so around 2,000 something. Bali yung mga amenities nga pala guys, nasa baba dun sa may lobby. Mamaya or bukas ipapakita ko sa inyo. Nice. Ang cute lang. Oh, I almost forgot to say guys, napakaganda ng location ng hotel na to kasi katabi lang siya ng subway which is Daikukucho. And malapit lang din kami sa Namba. Siguro mga 1 station lang. Yeah, very convenient. And halos train yung ginagamit naming transportation dito. Hindi pa kami nagbabas so far. Pero later in this video guys, isi-share ko sa inyo yung magkano yung total na nagastos natin sa aeroplano, sa hotel, sa paggala-gala, transport, and then syempre kung paano kumuha ng visa para sa ating mga Pilipino na nasa Thailand. Kasi iba yung proseso kapag nasa Pilipinas ka mag-a-apply eh. It's like matagal, unlike sa Bangkok. So guys, see you tomorrow para sa day 2. Good night kasi sobrang pagod. I'm sure kulang ako sa tulog. Good night, guys. Good morning! Day 2 in Osaka. So, it's currently 18 degrees Celsius, guys. And sabi sa weather forecast is medyo magiging maulan today, which is very, very sad. And, may breakfast kami ngayon sa hotel. So, we're going to have breakfast, guys, bago kami mag-ikot-ikot around Osaka. So yeah, hopefully hindi talaga umulan ng ganong kalakas. Medyo may sakit pa yan. What a bad timing to travel. Pero anyways, at least nakapunta na ng Japan. So like I mentioned guys, yung mga amenities nila nandito. May mga toothpaste, shaver, brush, cotton buds, shower cap. Kompleto yan lahat oh. So yeah, it's nice to have guys. Ang cute lang din ng setup. May machine nga rin pala sila guys for self-checkout. Lalagay mo lang yung room card dito and then pay bill kung may kailangan kang bayaran or check out na agad. Although 24 hours naman yata yung reception, pero siguro kapag medyo maraming tao, nagsabay-sabay yung check out. Very helpful din to. So guys, papunta na kami sa Osaka Castle today. And as usual, gagamit ulit kami ng metro. Papunta doon. Pero dalawang lines yata siya eh. Hindi siya yung diretso, walang direct. Guys, paglabas namin ng Homachi Station, yung metro, naglakad-lakad kami ng konti, kumanan, and then nandito na kami ngayon sa Chou line, which is yung green line. And then siguro from here to Osaka Castle, 1 to 2 stop yata. Madali lang naman pala mag-train, medyo nakakalito lang syempre sa una, pero ngayon medyo sanay na kami, kaya professional na. Hindi na naliligaw. So kung magta-train kayo guys papunta sa Osaka Castle, bababa kayo ng Tainimachi and then maglalakad lang kayo. Exit number 9. So paglabas namin ng train station guys, naglakad kami ng konti and then from here dito sa main road makikita na namin yung Osaka Castle. So tatawid lang kami and then yun, nasa park na kami. Dali lang. So meron din silang shuttle for 300 yen kung gusto mo maikot yung Osaka Castle. Medyo malaki din siya guys ha, kung titignan mo sa mapa. And we're here right now. Muulan na naman guys. Muulan na nga kahapon sa Nara. Pati dito pa naman sa Castle umuulan din. Parang ganda ah. Tapos mong mag-sightseeing yun sa Osaka Castle guys, punta ka dito sa gilid and then makikita mo tong lake. Tapos may boat doon no, which is yung may bayad yan eh. Pero hindi naman gano'ng kamahal, mura lang siya. I think nasa 200 to 300 yen. Makikita mo yung mga puno na turning into yellow. Ganda guys, medyo malamig-lamig pa. So ang dami nilang vending machine dito guys. So kapag nauuhaw ka, bili ka lang ng tubig. Oops. La.
I think, oh yeah. And then you can press.
Oh.
Oh, there's Momo water. Oh, I want to try that. I'm gonna
Refreshing
try.
guys.
Oh, it's smaller than I thought.
Bale kapag hindi ka papasok ng castle guys, libre siya. And I think it's okay din naman na hindi pumasok unless you really wanna see what's inside. And kung gusto mong makita yung view from taas. Very super lucky.
Oh, super lucky.
Yeah, super lucky.
Oh.
So guys, after ko matry yung hour lang na to, I would say na masarap yung coffee nila. And it's a must try kung mahilig kayo sa cafe. Sayang lang kasi wala na silang mga cakes na ubusan na. Everything were sold out kaya wala kaming na-try ng mga desserts. Pero okay lang, okay naman yung drinks, masarap. So, I think we're lost guys kasi nandito kami ngayon sa Hankyu Osaka Umeda Station and we were planning to go to Umeda Sky Building pero hindi namin makita sa sobrang laki, sa sobrang dami ng tao, ang hirap i-navigate. Pero dito lang naman kami nalito. Pero sa iba naman hindi kasi okay naman yung mga lines and instructions. Pero dito kasi sobrang dami there's a lot of going on. May mall, may a lot of station na connecting is like 4 or more yata. But we finally found out the exit. So yeah, kasi nagtanong din kami.
No, it's
Here, going up.
Oh, wait, this is here.
It's like ito yung pinaka-center nila eh.
It's everywhere.
But it's fun. It's fun getting lost, right?
Yes.
It is very fun. Exploring the Osaka. So guys, after a few minutes of walking and exploring yung parang BGC nila, nakita na namin yung Umeda Sky Tower. Okay guys, so according sa video na nakita namin sa TikTok, may hack daw na pwede kang mag-sightseeing for free. Dito ka lang mag-enter sa Fanfan and then tatawid ka doon and then aakyat ka doon. Dito sa baba ng Umeda Sky Building, dun sa may Fanfan Plaza, maganda yung vibe dito na para siyang food court pero more on Japanese traditional style. Wala silang English menu guys, so we used Google Translate to translate and then turo-turo na lang.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
美味しい。
Dear tummy,อะไรนะ
Mukhang mapapa-shopping na naman yata tayo nito guys ha. Shopping na naman. Napa-shopping tuloy guys. Tara na guys, bago pa ako mapagastos ng mas malaki pa dito. Ang gaganda eh. Okay guys, gumastos kami ng almost 25,000 yen. Ang nakakatawa kasi dito, plano ko sanang bumili ng Uniqlo. Kasi alam ko nga na mas mura talaga dito eh, sa Japan eh. Kaso, nung nakita ko yung Gio, mas nagustuhan ko rin siya. And wala kasing Gio sa sa Thailand. So yeah, we bought so many stuff. And she's wearing it. Sinusuot niya na agad. So maybe sasuotin ko rin sa akin mamaya or tomorrow. Kasi sa Thailand eh, bihira mo lang ito magagamit. Hey guys, we finally made it dito sa Dotonbori. Isa sa mga sikat na tourist attraction dito sa Osaka. And it's so nice, it's so vibrant, it's so lively. So much thing going on. Nandito kami syempre para mag food trip din. So tara guys, let's go. Sana bukas pa yung ibang restaurant kasi yung iba nakita ko sarado na eh. Oh, okay. Yeah. どうぞ。ありがとうございます。Talo na, but I don't like the texture. It's good but I don't like the texture. So masarap siya guys, pero nawi-weirdohan lang ako ng konti sa texture niya kasi nga masyado siyang malambot. Ewan ko kung yun ba yung totoong takoyaki. Kasi yung mga nakakain ko sa Thailand, hindi naman yung ganyan eh. Or basta ganyan talaga. Let me know in the comments guys kung ganito talaga yung takoyaki, yung original. So pinuntahan namin yung cheese coin guys para i-try, kaso sarado na eh. Gabi na kasi kami pumunta eh, mga 11 na ngayon dito, 11 PM. So babalik kami bukas para i-try naman yung mga ibang pagkain. Pero it's nice here. Yung mga tao dito parang mga anime eh. Parang mga naka-cosplay lagi sila eh. Ang poporma nilang lahat. So nandito ako sa Family Mart nila guys. Oh, okay.
What?
This is Family Mart and that's Lawson. So that's why it's different. Okay, makes sense. Kaya naman pala. Nagtataka kami ba't parang iba yung mga paninda. Mas maganda pala yung mga paninda dito sa Family Mart oh. Pudding, parang leche plan. Parang gusto kong bilhin to. Man. Kano ba to? 300 something yen. Wow. Oh, so excited. Pero hindi ko pa nasi-check yung 7-Eleven nila dito eh. Pupunta kami guys sa Donkey. Check namin yung original Donkey yung Japan. Meron din sa Thailand pero siguro mas okay dito. Maraming mga ganito sa Japan eh guys. Wow, this is so nice. Overwhelmed dito sa Donkey Dohoite nila. Lalo na dito sa mga snack section. Mukhang magpapagastos ulit tayo nito. Mukhang masarap to ah. Ang cute lang nito guys ah. Sarap to yun. Hey guys, so we spent too much time sa Donkey and we forgot na hanggang midnight lang pala yung train. Nakalimutan namin tingnan yung oras so nalagpasan namin. So yun, naglalakad na lang kami papunta doon sa hotel namin. Hindi naman ganun kalayo, siguro mga 20 minutes walk. And tingnan nyo, ito yung vibe ng Japan, Osaka, Japan sa gabi.
Yayoi.
Yayoi. That could be the original one. Oh, red light, kaya no car, pero red light kaya bawal maglakad. Japanese style. Dapat maki-blend in kami.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Oh, Yayoi here. Yayoi looks different here. Or maybe this is the original, the classic. So kung sa Bangkok maraming 7-Eleven, dito maraming Family Mart.
3.
Oh.
1.
There's 1, 2,
3.
3 over there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I saw. So, Family Mart. masasarap din yung mga pagkain na. And also yung Lawson. Marami rin Lawson dito. 7-Eleven medyo isa pa lang ang nakita kong 7-Eleven. Isa o dalawa? First 7-Eleven. We found the first 7-Eleven dito sa Osaka. Hello, welcome. Oh, it's very hot. It's very hot. Sarado aircon eh. Printer? Oh yeah, it's printer. Wow, they even have printer.
There's ink squid pasta. Looks good.
Ang sarap nito guys, grabe. Yung sa Family Mart, masarap yung ganito. Kinakain ko yung egg sandwich. Ewan ko lang dito sa 7-Eleven. Pero I think, the same lang sila or similar. Pareho lang yan siguro.
Try it.
Oh wow, hot water. Malamig kasi sa Japan. Kaya kailangan nila ng ganito. Hot tea, hot coffee. Wow.
This is all hot. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a hot section. Need to buy ice cream. Gusto ko yung i-try to eh. Kaso sarado na kasi. Wow. Try ko tong dorayaki guys. You want?
There's chai. I want to try their chai.
Hot?
Yes, hot chai.
Okay. Let's pay.
Do you need a plastic bag?
Ah, no need.
Okay. To the 300.
お支払い方法をお選びください。現金を入れ終わりましたら、
Oh.
確認の上、OK ボタンを押してください。
Okay.
But like there.
お釣りとクーポンをお受け取りください。お取り忘れにご注意ください。
This is coupon. Yes, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Ano nga, 7 na lang ka. Oh.
Nighttime.
So we got dorayaki
And
and
chai tea.
hot tea, right?
Yes.
Should we try now?
Yeah.
Can I try?
It's chai. It's really nice. It's very, the spice comes up when I opened it. Right? Cardamom, cinnamon, and like all the other spices. It's nice.
It's the kind of drink I will drink when I'm sick. Yes.
No, but it's not too sweet as well. I think
Yeah, it's not too sweet. And the flavor is like not too much.
It feels kind of festive actually.
Nice.
I really like it.
Oh,
It's
interesting.
really nice.
I wanna try the
Okay,
dorayaki.
you try. 'Cause we thought-
Dorayaki
Oh, I
7-Eleven.
thought one.
Actually, this is ice cream. Oh, man yin.
Is it good?
Mm.
เชื่อได้ไหมเนี่ย
Okay.
ไม่แบ่งเลยเพราะว่าอร่อยใช่ไหม
I will buy more of that. Right?
It
Good.
goes well with this.
Yeah. Perfect
It's
combo.
nice. Oh my god, I'm happy.
Perfect combo.
I'm glad we didn't get on this train. Because otherwise we'll be asleep. Oh my god, it's so good. อร่อยมาก
I forgot how much is this, but yeah,
This both is like 300
300.
something.
Yeah.
So very affordable.
No more? So my cream, there's some kind of bean. May
Red
open,
bean.
red bean, no?
Red bean. It's traditional. They put red bean as original.
It tastes vanilla. Should we move here?
Yes, we should. I love it. Oh my god. The whole thing.
Bibili ulit ako nito bukas. Okay, nandito naman kami ngayon sa Lawson Store 100. Parang ibang klase na Lawson to. It's kulay green. Oh, ningay. Wow, they even have
I think
this.
it means it's like groceries. But
Siya, sa sarap ng mga pagkain dito. Parang mas masarap pa sa Thailand ah. We should try this next time. Pudding.
yeah. I mean, the thing is, I don't think we come across this type of bread often, so maybe just buy la pung gikin na.
It's the same one แต่ว่าอันนั้นอ่ะมันมีโลโก้ของ7
อ๋ออันนี้ไม่มี
but น่าจะเหมือน
เขา
กัน
ก็คงส่ง
It's like 1:05 in Japan and nandito na kami sa hotel mga 20 minutes walking pero kumain pa kami sa Family Mart and then nag ikot-ikot
And
mini mart tour but we're here 24 hours? 24 hours open? Oh, okay. Good night. It was a long day.
yes.
From Osaka Castle, Umeda, shopping, Dotonbori, Mini Mart.
Mini Mart.
Family Mart tour.
That's good.
Good night. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, we finally made it to Uji after getting lost a few times.
We did not lose. We did not lose. Go that way.
So nandito kami for the matcha kasi this is the hometown of matcha. Excited din matikman yung totoong matcha ng Uji. And it's so cold. Not so cold but it's cold.
The plus sign over there.
Oh
That's where
really?
we're-
Oh, wait.
I know. You're like ho ho ho. Ho.
Yeah, ho.
We're coming here.
Many people show. Everyone is here for matcha.
ไม่ใช่มันตอนนี้มันเหลือแค่นี้ Success.
Success.
Ding
I will
dong.
try if it's good. I'm sure it's good.
It's the one we got is good with milk, so it's good for matcha latte.
Matcha taste test, guys. You got so many matcha. Are we still buying?
Yes.
Oh.
2 now. 3 more.
Yeah, I got 2.
more.
Yeah.
I mean 2 more to go.
What? 2 more to go?
2 more to go.
Really? Is it far from here?
No, it's very close.
So, nandito kami guys sa small alleys ng Uji, Kyoto. And nagtataka ako kasi tahimik. Walang mga marites. Kaya pala sabi nila boring Japan kasi
It says we can go.
walang marites. Parang tulog pa yung mga tao eh. Oh, it's cold. Sa camera hindi maganda guys. Sa personal napakaganda. Pero guys, medyo may pagka-pricing nga lang siya kasi ito is around 400 baht. And then ito naman, yung ice cream, around almost 300. Cheese hamburg steak, sushi. I found something amazing at Family Mart. So we will try this very quickly. At hello, na alam mo. So, from Uji guys, we took train and then nandito kami ngayon sa Inari Station. We're going to Fushimi, Inari.
Too loud. Kapiak. They're probably gonna take it out of.
Medyo malayo-layo pa kami sa pinakadulo. And I think hindi namin siya mapupuntahan kasi kulang kami sa oras. Kasi may pupuntahan pa kami after this eh. Okay. Galing din ng bus nila ah. Mabilis ah. Walang traffic eh. You get to try the bus and pwede rin yung iko-ka sa bus. Dito kami ngayon guys sa Nishiki Market. Old Market. Ang daming pre-taste guys kaya nabusog na ako. Hindi na ako bibili. Ang meron pa na tempura. Let's go.
Oh, I want sushi.
You want to have a few bites or no?
Yes, I do. Ay, hold on, let me see.
One?
Okay?
Yes.
Hi. He said okay.
Okay.
Hi.
Arigato.
That's free.
Okay.
Hi. Okay.
Okay guys, it's time to try the famous coin, cheese coin dito sa Dotonbori. So, bumalik kami dito sa Dotonbori area guys para tikman yung mga pagkain and mga street foods na hindi ko pa na-try kagabi kasi nga sarado na sila. And pangalawa sa gusto kong i-try is itong melon bread na may palaman na ice cream. I'm so excited for that. And sikat siya dito kaya medyo mahaba yung pila. I hope it's good. I'm sure it's good. Matcha? It's like a burger.
Do you taste the melon?
No melon at all. Salmon is better. So, matcha ice cream is good. The bread is crispy outside and soft, but I cannot taste the melon. That's it. Takoyaki? 6?
Okay. Mayonnaise, okay?
Okay, mayonnaise.
Kinako.
Okay, since na-disappoint ako hindi naman sa na-disappoint, na-weirdohan na ako sa texture kagabi. So, I bought again to try another shop. Pero ganun pa rin eh, oh. Malambot pa rin siya eh. Okay guys, I'm gonna try my luck here. I want Goju Satoru from Jujutsu Kaisen.
How do you feel right now?
I feel betrayed.
It says goodbye. See you next time.
Gojita, here I come. One press only?
ใช่ you have to press ค้างชู
อ๋อเหรอ
ใช่ต้องกดค้าง
ไม่บอก
ไม่ก็เมื่อกี้ให้ดูเด็กแล้วอ่ะ ไม่ได้ดูเด็กก่อนเปลืองเลยเปลือง200 bye bye
Gojita.
how do you feel right now
I don't feel betrayed, but I feel stupid. So, kakatapos ko lang mag-onsen guys. And grabe, sobrang refreshing. I mean, sobrang nakaka-relax pala. Sarap magtulog natin ito mamaya. Good morning guys, this is our day 4 in Osaka and also our last day. And nandito kami ngayon sa Kisu Market, which is a famous fish market dito lang din sa Osaka. As you can see, maraming tao. And it's only a 5-minute walk from our hotel. Diba? The best yung location namin. Oishi Makna. Titigman ko yung pudding ng 7-Eleven guys. Masarap eh. Like it?
yes it's nice
It's not too sweet, but it's vanilla and eggy. Matamis pa rin naman, pero hindi ganun katamis kung gano'n leche pa. So the second one will be the baked chestnut sandwich guys. Try natin. Wala nito sa Thailand eh, kaya I wanna try. Hello, Mark. Kakakain ko lang ng 7-Eleven desserts and nandito na naman kami sa 7-Eleven para mag-explore lang. Bibili kami kung may mabibili. Mga 2 minutes walk from our hotel guys. The best ang location ng hotel namin. May 3 convenience stores. Since busog pa kami guys, kaya try lang muna namin yung drinks nila. And ito yung nabili ko. Strong sparkling water lemon daw eh. Try natin. Kung strong ba talaga. Oh, very strong nga.
strong
lemon infused water soda. So like I mentioned earlier in this video, isi-share ko na sa inyo yung mga free sightseeing spots starting with Umeda Sky Tower. Dito makikita mo ang ganda ng Osaka City and you also experience the famous escalator photo spot. Yes, free lahat ng yan. Pero if you really want the full 360 view, you can pay access to the Floating Garden Observatory. Next is the Osaka Castle. Perfect spot for taking photos and you can admire the beauty of the castle from the outside. Again, pwede ka rin magbayad ng entrance fee kung gusto mong makapasok sa loob and learn about its history. Another free sightseeing spot on our list is Nambayasaka Shrine and also the Fushimi Inari Shrine in Kyoto. Nakakamiss talaga kung paano nila i-build yung mga shrine na to and you can even pray or make a wish if you want to. And lastly, our day trip to Nara. For me, this was the highlight of our Japan trip kasi super cute at ang dami ng mga deer. You can feed and play with them, pero medyo aggressive yung iba, especially the male ones. So just be cautious when you're around them. As for food, punta ka lang sa Dotonbori. Sobrang dami ng food options dito, although a bit crowded in my opinion. Kung mahilig ka naman sa sushi or sashimi, punta ka sa Kiso Market. Fresh, good quality, and affordable ang mga seafood nila dito. It's a morning market so make sure to wake up early. For the area where to stay naman, honestly, since tourist lang din ako, I can't give the best recommendations. But we stayed at Hotel Sobial right beside Daikokucho subway station, which was super convenient for exploring the city by train. Speaking of train, Ikoka card will be your best friend during your Osaka trip. Pwede mo siyang gamitin sa trains, buses, and even convenience stores. You can refill it anytime sa kahit anong train station. And now, here's the total expenses. Just pause the video to check them out. And now, let's talk about how to apply Japan visa. Since nasa Thailand ako, kaya medyo may konting pagkakaiba sa proseso. To see all the requirements, punta ka sa website ng Embassy of Japan in Thailand, then click Consular Affairs. Then look for tourism or visiting friends. After mo maklik yan, makikita mo na yung mga list ng mga requirements so isa-isahin natin yan from 1 to 7. Number 1, passport with re-entry. Hindi pwede sa airport so make sure na may re-entry ka muna. Number 2, application form. Click mo yung download here para ma-print and ma-fill upan mo yung form. Number 3, isang picture mo within the last 6 months. Makikita nyo dito yung background and size. Medyo malaki lang siya ng konti sa passport picture natin. Number 4 is yung questionnaire. Again, you can click to download. Number 5, this can be your flight ticket and hotel booking. In my case, hindi naman ako nag-book agad ng ticket, but nag-search lang ako ng possible dates ng travel ko and for hotel naman, pwede ka naman mag-book and pay later. Next is yung letter A. Ito yung para sa ating mga OFW, so need ng work permit, original and copy, kontrata with all the details like position, salary, and then yung certificate of registration or license ng company nyo. Then let's proceed to number 6, bank passbook or bank statement copy of the last 6 months. Make sure na ito yung bank na ginagamit mo sa pag-receive mo ng salary and of course dapat may laman kasi importante yan. Number 7, itinerary set. Gawa ka ng itinerary like let's say flight mo next week, then arrive ka ng airport, then hotel, then punta ka dito, kain ka dito, sa lugar na to, etc. Doesn't need to be super detailed but lagay mo yung mga pupuntahan mo at gagawin mo sa Japan. Skip number 8 if you're not visiting a friend. And once na makompleto mo na lahat ng to, punta ka sa VFS Global located sa Sanctuary Square, 4th floor to submit all the requirements. No need ang appointment, but just to make sure na pumunta ka before 5 PM. I-check nila yung documents mo and if okay naman lahat, they will ask you if you want self-pick up or ipapadala na lang sa'yo. Sa case ko, pinadeliver ko dito sa akin, so nagbayad ako ng mga 1,100 baht. After 4 to 5 days, nakuha ko na yung passport ko with the Japanese visa. So yeah, ganun lang guys. Palike and share if nakatulong and if you have more questions, let me know in the comments. It's our last day today guys, so kaya naman nag-explore lang kami around the city, malapit lang din sa hotel namin. Bago kami pumunta ng airport mamaya. Sunny day pero sobrang lamig ng hangin. Okay guys, nandito kami somewhere sa Namba Marui, tsaka Nankai, Namba Station. Then we will try this rice cake.
Warabi mochi.
She said warabi mochi. Waramoji ice cream.
Warabi mochi. You want to make my warabi mochi ice cream? Go for it. What?
Hindi nga. Ang sasarap ng mga dessert dito guys. Napansin ko lang. Gusto ko sana i-try itong mga donut din eh. Kaso busog na eh. I'll try later.